Hey guys, it's Ethan. I know I haven't been posting lately, but I'm at my local Walmart here and I found some new hybrid speeders. They already look through, but I'm pretty sure I can find the whole set. We'll see. Alright, we'll just start with this. The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Voce D Sport Hybrid Turismo. That's a mouthful. McLaren P1. Got the Acura NSX. Looking very nice. We got BMW i8 Roadster. Decent. And last but definitely not least, the Lamborghini Scion. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. Nothing new right here. We got some 143 scale. Let's see what there is here. Okay, we just found something great. No way.
Super is awesome.
That is awesome. We're definitely getting both of those. Let's see what else there is that I can resell. Just kidding, guys. Oh my. Toyota Supra. Oh my. The Mad Max RX-3 wagon. That's awesome. That Supra is awesome too. Let's see if we can find any more of the cars from that set. Nope. Okay, so the cars in the set: Nissan Skyline, GTR, R32 Pandem, Lancia Evolution, Honda Civic Type R. That's a Chase. Look for the blackout version. The '89 Toyota Supra and the Mad Mike Mazda RX-3. Okay. It seems like the only new premiums we got. We have the F1 cars. I got all three of these. Doesn't seem like there's any new ones. Let's see here. We got Golf M2. And we got cartooned Toyota Hiace and Tacoma. That one's awesome. Right, guys, I think that's it for today. It's a cool Ford Bronco too. Okay, that's it for today. Peace out.